Jasper, sorry. I'm downstairs and the power's out.
Who are you talking to?
See what? Yes.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kootenai County in the Panhandle of Idaho, northwestern Shoshone County in the Panhandle of Idaho until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter. This storm was located near Kellogg and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Kellogg, Pinehurst, Osborne, Wallace, Smelterville, Wardner, Murray, Pritchard, Cataldo, Rose Lake, Kingston, and Silver Mountain. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Motorists traveling on Interstate 90 east of 4th of July Pass should seek shelter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Kootenai, and Shoshone.
What?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
It's off now, the power's out.